super excited because it is 12 degrees out this morning, and my previous record was 19 degrees. I am stoked. Setting a personal best in the truck with no heat. I mean, there's heat up front here, but I'm talking about back there when I get into my sleeping bag. I might actually zip it up this morning. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but stay tuned. Okay, so it is 12 degrees out here. This is a new personal best, like I probably already told you in the cab of the truck earlier. But I'm doing fine. I'm warm under my sleeping bag. And I don't even have it zipped up, so not zipped up. Maybe I will if I get cold, but so far so good. So I did just fine. I didn't even zip up the sleeping bag. I just laid it over me, and I'm getting up for work now. No big deal. My personal record beat. 19 degrees before, 12 degrees today. I don't think I'm going to get another opportunity before this contract's over to beat that temperature, but we'll see.
So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications.